Here's a clean outline of the 2025 Cessna 172 Skyhawk review with all the Bearcats bullets and headings clearly structured for a quick 5-minute read. Airplane overview. Most produced aircraft in history 45,000 plus units. Continues to be a favorite for flight schools and private pilots. Blends traditional reliability with modern upgrades. Hammer and wrench performance and specifications. Engine, Lycoming IO 360 L2A, 180 HP maximum cruise speed, 124 knots 229 kilometers h. Range, 640 nautical miles 1185 kilometers. Climb rate, 730 feet per minute. Service ceiling, 14,000 feet. Fuel consumption, 8.5